Have you ever wondered why life sometimes feels like a shattered puzzle? Why everything seems to fall apart? What if I told you that there is a force that makes the impossible possible? A force that puts back together everything that has been broken. That force is God, and He is restoring all things. This truth isn't new. It has always been there, hidden in the ancient scriptures, in the admonitions of great faith leaders. Moses himself spoke of this in the book of Deuteronomy when he reminded Israel that the path to restoration lies in obedience and faithfulness to God. In Deuteronomy 30:19-20, Moses declares, "I call heaven and earth as witnesses against you today that I have set before you life and death, blessings and curses. Now choose life so that you and your children may live, and that you may love the Lord your God. Listen to His voice and hold fast to Him. For the Lord is your life, and He will give you many years in the land He swore to give to your ancestors." What Moses said to Israel back then is as true today as it ever was. The path to restoration is through the decision to remain faithful to God. The blessings, the life, the true life, are for those who follow His commands. In this truth lies a divine mystery. Restoration begins in the heart with a choice of faith. As C.S. Lewis once said, faith gives us the key to transformation. When we turn to God, even what seemed dead can find new life. John of the Cross said that we must pass through the dark night of the soul to find true enlightenment. But it is precisely in that darkness where true restoration begins. What Moses and the great men of faith knew was this: God will restore all things. When we turn to Him, when we walk in obedience and believe in His promises, He will rebuild us. We are not abandoned ruins. We are living witnesses of divine restoration. Restoration will not always be easy. It will challenge us to turn away from old ways. But as Dietrich Bonhoeffer said, those who stand in faith will not be disappointed. You will walk through the storm, but you will come through it and find the light that lifts you up again. Believe that God is restoring everything right now. Your heart, your relationships, your hope, your world. And you will witness this miracle. The God of restoration is the same one who led Israel out of slavery, the same one who carried the cross, and the same one who gave you new life. This God is at work now. Now I want to hear from you. What does restoration mean to you? How have you experienced God's hand in your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Maybe you've had your own journey of healing and renewal, and your story could inspire someone else. Let's stand together in faith and support each other in this powerful journey of transformation.